Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Fellas, very good morning. It is Friday. Stephen, good morning. Dan, Jacques, James, Hamid, guys, good morning to you. Randy and Sue, Johan. Guys, if you're part of the order flow education, Mark, good morning. Mimi, good morning. I have sent the link as of yesterday. And you guys should all have it. If for some reason you're in that group and you do not have the link, email me. Okay? Hang on one second, fellas. In any event, guys, good morning. For those of you that paid attention to Skype, I put a couple of trades in yesterday afternoon. One was gold around 9 o'clock. Good morning, Caleb. One was gold around 1909 area with a target at 15. That target was hit last night. I did put a long in on the NASDAQ at 12 with a target at 50, and it has not gotten there yet. Got to 46. Got to 46. We are getting a small pullback. Guys, today is options expiration. So it could get a little crazy. Currently, the NASDAQ has about, call it 700 net sellers. We do have net buyers in gold. We do have net buyers in silver. We have small net selling in crude. Small net sellers in the ES and small net buyers in the YM. Oh, good for you, Jacques. Good. Got your target. It actually went to 17. Gold just got a pretty big spike up here. Good morning, Patrick. Not sure what that's about. Patrick, your coffee is on the precipice of a potential dump. I looked at coffee this morning. It did. It broke down. It just dumped. Looks like coffee is headed to, if it doesn't bounce 109.55, it could actually work all the way down to 109.20, but if it breaks that, it's going to get slapped around pretty good. Gold just got a pretty good spike up. I'm not sure on what dollar is selling. Good morning, Chris. Guys, if you're here, okay, Glenn, perfect. I'll after I close the room, I'll take care of all that. If you guys are here for the week, I want to welcome you back to your final day in the room. I also want to thank you for your time. Just looking at the markets right now, NASDAQ would be an interesting long down at 97, which makes it an interesting short here, but I liked it better at about 33. From here, the stop would have to be above 40. Let's see here, gold. I'm not sure gold can get much above 21, 22. If it does manage to break out above 18, I do have a target at 27, but it's going to have to get through that pretty stiff resistance at that 20 to 22 zone. We'll see what we get with gold. I would expect pullbacks in gold, but dollar is selling at the moment. We are down near the third standard deviation on gold. The dollar. So if we get a bounce in the dollar, gold will reverse somewhat. Currently, the euro is bid. Pound is pulling back on this dollar weakness as well. And natural gas found itself some buyers. I'm really starting to keep an eye on gas, guys. We're kind of into that time of the year. Yeah, this is a 15-minute. This would have been 7:15 would have been a nice entry. Small net buyers, but they just went positive delta. This is an hourly bot here. Good morning, Cotty. Very good morning. Went long at 5 a.m. Wiggled around a little bit, but you got targeted. Oh, that's yesterday, actually. Yeah. In any event, I am watching natural gas, guys. I don't have anything at the minute. We're going to go to 32. If 32 doesn't slow it down, let me see what we got here. Well, we're at the session high. And we hit 32 to the tick. It's going to have, hey, Todd, good morning. Tony, good morning. It's going to have to blow through 32. I'm not sure it does. Kath, good morning. In any event, guys, it's Friday. It's early. Let me read the disclaimer. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. All right, let's see what we've got here. First target on that crude order flow trade, guys, from 55, 56, 57 is 74, 75. And NASDAQ, keep going, buddy, keep going. Gold is bidding. And we got to 68. I still think it gets 70, 75. $12.20 is showing more volume. I showed more in November. All right, well, nonetheless, I'm trading November. I got a trade on in November. $74.75 first target on crude. Then it's got work to do up here at this trend line. There's 69. If crude's got to get through $43 to go any higher, I mean, than that 42, 43 area. Stiff resistance up there. I'm not doing anything with the NASDAQ or the ES up here. It's in la land. I'll wait for the open and a pullback if we're going to be longs. Let me look at NASDAQ. Come on, give me that first target, 74.75. Gold could come back to 11.7. French President Macron said something about Brexit failing on something. I have to be honest, I care less about Brexit. Man, how many years has it been? I don't even know how many years it's been, Greg. All right, guys. Crude got 72. That's years, right? 4.3 years. Well, I guess it was easy to vote out. It's a lot higher. It's like the mafia. You can't get out. First target is hit on CL. 74.75. It hit 75. Thank you, Don. All right, guys. Gold is short on a 3-minute. One contract. What the freak? Some of these dang bots reset on me. Crude has a micro, yes. I mean, unless I'm changing them, and I don't remember changing them, I may have. I don't think so, but it's. Let me just look. 3. No, they're all fine except for this. Maybe I changed it. I don't. I didn't trade it after we left the room. I don't think so, Mimi. Oh, okay. Joel just texted me. It's my ATM strategy. I'm not digging shorts, fellas. That I can tell you. I like gold longs. Not much lower. I mean, if for some reason I like gold longs in here, guys. I prefer the long. It could come down to 10.7. If we come down a little bit lower, I'm going to close this trade and look for the long. I prefer the long. First target. And then 17.5. Come on, rat bag. Told you I say it's longs. It's not shorts. Come on, 15.7 first target. There's 14.5, 6. Come on, 10 more ticks. 14.7. Come on, buddy. Come on. Thank you, Eli. Listen, we surely, even though we've only got a small positive delta, I don't want to be short around here. We got a little work to do to get through 15. Once we're through 15, it's gone. Stop would be 9.5. Come on, you rat dog. Right back to VWAP. I don't, this is nothing. Here it is on a 1 minute. Come on. I still like it longs. I don't think we come below here. Well, the bot would have gotten target, first target. Somebody's still optimistic about reaching a trade deal with the UK. I don't know who said it.
Order filled.
Come on, you dog. Got 159 sellers. Come on, gold. I know your longs. Got to just pop up through this little resistance here and away we go. Right here, 12.6. Can see it right here. Couple minutes, fellas. Guys, can I get a sound check, please? Sound check. Sound check. Thank you, fellas. Jesus, look at this thing. Ahead of the open. Look at this noise. Look at this mess. It's breaking out ahead of the open. There goes gold. Now you're good on gold, fellas. Those of you guys that held it. Break right here, and she goes. Small 5-minute trend line right here, 12.6, 12.7. Right here. Should go. We're good now. Look at this little dog. Gold does this to me half the time, fellas. It just waffles around. Look at this NASDAQ. Guess we're going to sit here and watch the NASDAQ today.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Support I have on the NAS. Hang on. Come on. There we go. Support is at 51 on a pullback. 52, 51 half. We're open. There's our support. That's it. And there's our, come on. What do you want to do? Bottom of that was 44. 37.75 maybe. All right, let's see here. 44. If you guys want to try a 44, 45. There's first target on gold. And away we go on gold. Here comes dollar index. Gold is going to that 15.7 target, fellas. If you guys want to try a long on gold, on NASDAQ, 47. We may not see it again. There it comes. There's 47. Come on, let's go, NASDAQ.
Order submitted.
We've got 30 sellers in here, guys. Come on, pull up. Out on the runner on gold. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. 57 sellers in this candle, 100 sellers. Looks like we could come back to 20. We're going to bounce 20. Come on. We had 200 sellers here. Down to 130. Got 129 net sellers, 130 net sellers. That's it. We got to get back above 41. We go 49 and possibly 60. Above 41, we go 49 and 60. Come on, get above 41. Here we go. Come on, buyers. Got some buyers. Come on. Now we should go 49. Come on. Pull up on the stick. Here we go. There's 49. There's 49. Now we should get 60. We should get 60. Anybody take the 41 long? You got first target at 49. Anybody take, okay. All right, fellas, good job. You got your first target. I would be at break even. Trade him as you see fit. I think we go to 60, but we got 185 buyers now in this candle. There we go. Come on, 60. Let's go. 60. Gold is short on the 377 tick. Both targets filled on 377 tick. No, one target. Sorry, guys. I was watching NASDAQ. You got target over here. And gold, maybe you don't have target here. I don't know. I'm not paying attention. Gold is short on the 15-minute robot. I'm watching this NASDAQ. First target is off on the 15-minute. Gold got to 14.1. This should be support on NASDAQ here, 49. That should hold. Come on, buyers. Come on. Go get 60. It's going to 60, guys. I'd like to see it come down again. I'd like to see it come to 897. I need a pullback, fellas. You guys should be out at break even. I mean, even gold is just sitting now. Come on, give me a pullback, a real pullback. YM is trying to get jiggy with it. NASDAQ looks to me like it's fixing to blow again back up to 52. I just can't get a deep enough pullback. We're stuck. Same YM, I have no trade. It didn't pull back enough for me. NASDAQ is stuck literally in Nowheresville. I'd like to see it tag 20. I've had that, Steve, I've had that happen to me, and that is an absolute pain in the neck. I've had it happen to me. Here comes 52. We finally broke back up. ES, guys, looks like a long from here. Stop is at, hang on, let me move a chart. Stop is at 85. It's 4 handles if you guys want to do an ES trade. All right, NASDAQ broke back up. We stayed in this small little consolidation area. We're moving back toward the top of the 15-minute candle. We have 109, 10, 15, 20 net buyers. Nothing. There's my 60 target, finally. Had to come back and take us out at 41 first. Out on the 377 tick on gold. What's that dollar doing? Just parked. All right, fellas, I want you to pay attention to what I'm saying. I have shut off GC on the 377 tick. I am no longer running it. It is done. It's up 680. Done for the week. I have shut off the 3-minute GC. It's only up 210, but it made money. This 15-minute is still in a trade. I'll let that go to completion. Either it takes me out at break even in one, or it comes down to 054. I don't know that it can come down that low. And Crude actually just shorted on the robot. Crude is now short on the bot. I think this is the first trade I've had all week on Crude. Nice job, Brad. Go Irish. Oh, she's a lock. She's a lock. She's awesome, man. She is. I love her. We're talking about Barrett. I love her. Brad, see you Monday. Go Irish. Anybody take the ES long? It was at 89 when I said it. Anybody take it? First target is 92. Anybody take ES? Okay, Sean. All right, guys. 92 is first target. Final target is 97. This NASDAQ will not give me anything, guys. Support is obviously back around 40. This is just nauseating. Gold came down to 7.8. Should probably bounce. It already bounced to 9.6. It should go back to 12.5. Very un-NASDAQ-like trade today. Very, very un-NASDAQ-like trade. Crude is almost a first. There it is. Another tick or two, and you got first target on the bot. Missed by a tick. Okay, here comes 40. Are you shooting me? We stopped at 41.25. You have got to be bagging me. 41.25 we stopped. Look at this. Right back to 49.
Order canceled.
Stop 41.25. Missed it by 5 ticks. We may still get it.
Order filled.
That's just got my first trade on the 3-minute robot, fellas. It's a short on the NASDAQ. I'm not sure I'm digging this. You guys can cancel that 40. I'm going to have to start front running my own trades. Man, we may get it. There it is, 40. Tell them target 49. There's 44. I don't like this trade, Laura. We're not getting we should have bounced bigger out of here. Come on, get to 49 and back to 60. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Pull it up. Pull up the stick. Pull it up. God, this is such a slow bounce out of this zone. Come on, 49. We get above 47.50, it's going. You'll certainly get first target at 49. There we go. Come on. Come on, buyers. Buy them up. Got 3. I mean, this is just a terrible trade, fellas. Ordinarily, we bounce out of these zones right back up. Maybe options expiration. Bottom of the zone is 27. If you guys are anxious with this trade, you guys can kill it. I still think we have to go to 49. Buyers now. We're back down to about 220 net sellers. There we go. You should get 49 on this push. Come on. Are you kidding? 42, 43, 44. Doesn't want to get through 44. Come on, 49. You're going to 49. There we go, 45. Let me watch this chart. There it is. You guys got it. 47.5. Oh, got it. 49, first target. Good Lord, man. That was like pulling freaking teeth. Seriously. You guys good? 60, next target. 60, next target. They bought them right back. We went to about 300 and change negative delta. We're back to 18 negative delta. You guys good? Earth to the room. Anybody take the trade? Okay. Guys, when I ask you if you're good, you got to let me know. There's your 60. What a pain in the ass. That was a pain in the ass trade, for real. The ES. You got to 92.75. First target's off. Final target is 97 on ES. I'd like to see a deeper pullback in the NASDAQ to 897. NASDAQ will bounce long probably right here, 56, 57 for a small trade, maybe back up to 62, 63. Anybody interested in crude December? I don't have much of it.
Order filled.
All right. So now NASDAQ just went long. There was your 57 pullback, right? Your longs, guys. This is just a pain in the neck trade. Next target long on the NASDAQ, 72. 72. There, you're there now. Next level up, if we get above 75, packet of lunch. Above 75, she's going. Something about monetary response is quite strong in Europe. Yes, it is long. Patrick, yep. All right, we just broke 75. Let's see if we get a pullback. And then it's a long again. The pullback I would like to see is somewhere around 66, 67 if you guys are interested. I don't know if it comes back there, but that's where I see it. I'm not taking this breakout. I'll buy the pullback. It broke. And here goes your ES. Those of you holding ES, target on ES is 97, final target. Anybody holding ES still? NASDAQ, I think, is just going to go, guys. We may not get a pullback here. I'm 67 is what I like on a pullback. Okay, Rich. 67. There it is. Oh, missed me by a tick. Missed me by a damn tick because I'm sitting at 67. You rat dog. Missed me by a tick. Son of a bitch.
Target filled.
There you go, guys. Anybody get a fill on NASDAQ? I missed by a tick. There's your 97 target on ES, guys. 97 target filled ES. Now, if you guys are not out and you're feeling lucky, you can try to get 35 or better. Dang, this NASDAQ. Crude hit my target and did not fill me. I'm going to take that off.
Top fill.
It may or may not go to stop. I don't know. Guys, NASDAQ's gone. It's going to 12,000, possibly 30. 12,000, possibly 30. The pullback I have is still about the same. Here comes 12,000. Told you, above 75, packet of lunch. Nice job, Brian. You're very welcome. Take your 945 and Didi. I've got no place to get back in. Maybe. I have no place to get back in. Maybe a pullback into 84. There should be some support there.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm just scalping on my own, guys. It is noon. I've sent the link, Brian. You should have it. Everybody should have the access link for the education. Okay, Brian. Excuse me. Hang on, guys. Take a look at natural gas. Sold off like we thought it would. Guys, this is our area support right in here. We should bounce again. 84, 85. We could come back to 80. I don't think we come much further. I think it's holding that 34. There it is, 84, 85. We're 2 points off 12,000. Dollar index is dead quiet. Consequently, we're getting no movement now in gold, though I still think gold is longs. We hit our ES targets, unless you're trying to milk it to get over. I mean, I do have another target at 35.03 if anybody is holding. Nice job, Don. You have a good weekend as well. Great job. Anybody up better than 1425 today? That's our high number. Anybody up better than that? I am, Rick. Hourlies. Nice job, Magnus. Come on, give me a pullback. Guys, I don't think we're going to pull back far here. We come up through 94, we're going. We're holding that 34 moving average. Let me look at this on an hourly. We're pushing the 100 period on an hourly. Nice job, Kath. Good job. On the Swedish index, I don't even know what that is. That's where we're stuck. If we get a 15-minute candle that opens at 98, then we're off to the races. I mean, an hourly. On the hourly, we could pull back to, what time is it? 10:10. Oh, yeah. If we come back to 71, I would take that. Volvo and AstraZeneca. Oh, okay. I need a pullback, fellas. On a 60-minute candle, which we're up. Look, here's what I'm looking at on a naked chart. NASDAQ went long in the hourlies at 3 o'clock this morning. We've been long on the 60 minutes since 3 a.m. We just hit first target at 76 handles. But I'd like to see a pullback, to 70, 71 area. Or else the 11 o'clock candle, we're going to need to be above 97. I just don't have a trade up here. ES, if it pulls back to 92, maybe half is going to bounce it again. Oh, there goes gold. I'm not even watching gold, you dog. Stinker. Give me a pullback. Now, don't you go from here. On. Anybody take it? Anybody long 98? Okay, John. Anybody long? Okay. I don't know about MES, dude. I gave that trade at 89. You would be later than crap on that. Nice job, Dirk. Nice job, Janelle. All right, guys, you want to take some off probably right about here, 15, 16. 15, 16. You want to take some off now from 98. We're going to get a pullback. Nice job, Gary. We're going to get a pullback, fellas. If you're trading multiples, take risk off. Okay. It's a nice trade, fellas. Up to 15 from 98. 98 quarter break, whatever. 17 handles, 340 a contract. Targets hit here. I mean, I still think we go higher, but we're pushing the day high. So what's going to happen? We need to get a pullback. I shut off the 3-minute bot on the NQ. It's done for the day. It's green, 2:15 after that last trade. If you guys are trailing, my target is 30. I like Fridays too. I like Mondays. I'll tell you what I hate, Greg. I hate Saturday and I hate Sunday. I hate not trading. I hate not trading. Monday, da 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 da. Thank you, Patrick. I will look at that. Let me write it down. Everybody should have made money on that trade, fellas. Now you got it in my head, Rick. Thanks. You guys are trading more than one. We're into resistance here. You see this red area on your order flow? For my order flow, guys, we've covered this, right? All of this red up here is what? Supply. But we're bidding through that supply. Right? My final target, guys, is 30. I don't know that we get there, but it's 30. Stuck in my head. Thank you again, Rick. We could pull back to where? If we were going to pull back, somebody tell me where we would pull back to. Anybody want to take a shot other than Greg Henry? Not you. I know you know. Recording it. I'm sorry. Start again. NASDAQ up 215. Gold on the 377 tick up 680. Gold on the 3-minute up 210. Gold on the 15-minute up 550. Crude hit first target. We were in the NASDAQ trade. I didn't manage the trade. Down 630. What's my total? Up $1,025. 1,025.